Video 2, solar and battery ground equipment. Now, let's take a look at the general ground equipment. Near the soffit of the roof, you might see a gray plastic box, often referred to as a junction box. This is where all the wires from your solar panels leave the attic and go into your electrical system. From the junction box, these wires travel through the conduit and land on a breaker in the generation panel or in the inverter, depending on your setup. If you have an Enphase system, your solar wires will go to the generation panel where all the microinverters are grouped. For Tesla systems, the wires will either connect to the inverter, such as the standalone Tesla inverter, or the internal Powerwall 3 inverter. From there, all solar and battery connections lead to the main disconnect switch, which can be identified with its red handle, and/or could be integrated directly into the gateway or system controller, which functions very similar to an automatic transfer switch when the grid loses power. If you have a solar-only setup, you might have a different backfed breaker located inside your electric panel, or they might be connected directly to the utility service lines depending on your configuration and area. Stick around for the next video where we'll talk you through how solar works for your home.